Hey guys, welcome to another train spotting around Suffolk, and today I'm on the Great Eastern Main Line at Stowmark, where we decided to go from here to Peterborough and change to Sydney, but there was delays on that, so we decided to film at Eonyiing for a bit. And then we decided to come back here. So joining me today is Great Eastern train spotter, but he is getting a drink somewhere. So yeah, let's see what Stowmark's got to offer, and let's see what's arriving and departing and passing through Stowmark on Great Eastern Main Line. So we just had the 1529 Great Eonyiing service to London Liverpool Street, started off from Norwich. And then we've got now is your 1535 Great Eonyiing service to Cambridge, started off from Ipswich. So that is slowly coming in now. And it is 170-271. See the bit when this train departs for Cambridge from Stowmark? See the bit we... Getting ready to depart now is your 1535 Great Eonyiing service to Cambridge. Started off from Ipswich and that's headed away Cambridge. 170-271. Thanks for the train driver. Great Eastern train spotter's favourite.